Hi everyone, welcome back to Crystal Flare. I'm Emily. Last time we made a regular octopus suncatcher, but today we're crafting a brand new Christmas octopus suncatcher. This festive version will look amazing on your Christmas tree, by the window, or as a whimsical winter decoration. Before we start, here are all the materials you'll need. Feel free to pause and prepare everything before beginning. And if you want to follow along exactly, you can find the full DIY kit in the description below. Alright, let's begin. Step 1. Make the body. Cut a 20 centimeter, 8-inch piece of wire. Thread 8 hexagon beads, 14 millimeters, onto the wire, making sure they all face the same direction for an even, consistent sparkle. Pull both ends of the wire together to form a circle. Twist the wire ends tightly right next to the beads to lock the circle in place. Trim any excess wire, then gently tuck the wire ends into the bead gaps so nothing sharp sticks out. Nice job, your octopus body base is ready. Step 2. Prepare the wires. For the eyes, cut one 10 centimeter 4-inch piece of wire. For the legs, cut 1.5 meters, 59 inches, of wire. Fold it into 4 equal sections, then cut along the folds. Bring the 4 wires together, align their centers, and twist the middle several times to secure them into a stable leg base. Some tips here. Make sure the wire centers line up nicely so the legs stay even later. Give each wire a quick straighten before you start beading. It makes everything smoother. Twist just enough to hold the wires together firmly, but don't over-twist. Keep all 8 wires separated as you work so they don't tangle on you. Great work. Your octopus leg base looks perfect. Step 3. Attach the legs. Take the grouped wires from step 2 and insert the twisted center through the hole of the 30 millimeter, 1.2 inch teardrop bead. Make sure the wire bundle sits exactly at the center, then twist 2 to 3 rounds to lock it firmly in place. Notes: keep the twist tight so the legs don't shift later. Hold the teardrop bead steady while twisting to avoid scratching it. Ensure the wire sits centered. This helps the octopus hang straight. Well done. The octopus now has its teardrop base secured beautifully. Step 4. Make the eyes. Take the 10 centimeter, 4-inch wire and insert it through the hole of the 30 millimeter, 1.2 inch teardrop bead. Measure about 2 centimeters, 1 inch, from the center on each side, then thread 1 6 millimeter black bead onto each end. Twist the wire ends snugly next to each bead to secure them. Some notes on this step. Keep both eyes the same distance from the center for perfect symmetry. Twist gently so the wire holds without cracking the beads. Tuck trimmed ends neatly to avoid scratches. Adjust the eyes slightly before tightening for the cutest expression. Trim any excess wire. Now your octopus has its eyes. That's adorable. Your octopus face is coming to life. Step 5. Attach the body and bead the legs. Thread all 8 leg wires through the crystal body you made in step 1. Pull them through evenly, then separate each wire into individual legs. For each leg, follow this bead sequence. 1 white bead, 10 millimeters. 1 green rhinestone spacer. 1 red bead, 10 millimeters. 1 white flower charm, 6 millimeters. 1 green bead, 6 millimeters. 1 white flower charm, 6 millimeters. 1 amber bead, 6 millimeters. 1 white flower charm, 6 millimeters. 1 oval rainbow bead, 8 millimeters. 1 white flower charm, 6 millimeters. 3 white beads, 6 millimeters. 1 white flower charm, 6 millimeters. 1 red bead, 6 millimeters. 1 white flower charm, 6 millimeters. 1 green bead, 6 millimeters. 1 white flower charm, 6 millimeters. 1 amber bead, 6 millimeters. 1 white flower charm, 6 millimeters. 1 oval bead, 8 millimeters. 1 white flower charm, 6 millimeters. 1 amber bicone bead, 4 millimeters. 1 white flower charm, 4 millimeters. 1 red bicone bead, 4 millimeters. 1 white flower charm, 4 millimeters. 1 amber bicone bead, 4 millimeters. 1 gold cone bead. When finished, trim any excess wire and curl a small loop at the end to secure the last bead. Gently shape each leg into soft, natural curves. In this step, please consider some tips. Prepare bead sets for all 8 legs ahead of time. It makes the whole process smoother. Keep the bead sequence right in front of you so you don't accidentally mix anything up. Try to align the oval and cone beads in the same direction. It helps the legs look more balanced. When you curl the final loop, make it tight enough so the beads stay in place. Shape the curves only after all 8 legs are finished. It's much easier to get them symmetrical this way. And remember to tuck the wire ends inside the last bead so everything feels smooth and safe. Step 6. Shape the legs. After beading all 8 legs, use your fingers or pliers to bend the wire into the shape you like. You can create 2 beautiful styles. Style 1, upward curved legs, dancing octopus. Curve the front part of each leg slightly upward. Create a smooth hook-like arc. This makes your octopus look playful, as if it's dancing. Style 2, wavy natural legs, walking octopus. Form gentle S-shaped waves along each leg. Keep the curves soft and open for a natural movement effect. This style looks very balanced when the suncatcher hangs. Tips, short and important. Shape the legs after securing the final bead bend from the middle outward to avoid sharp kinks. Try to keep all 8 legs shaped evenly for a clean, harmonious look. Your cute Christmas Octopus Suncatcher is now complete. Hang it by a sunny window, on your Christmas tree, or display it in your workspace. Wherever you place it, it will shine beautifully and bring festive cheer. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crystal Flare for more creative Suncatcher tutorials. And as always, keep shining.